So starting the test drive in this CX-5 here, I love how, even though you only have a 6-speed automatic here, this turbocharged 4-cylinder under light throttle doesn't necessarily give you unnecessary pull when you're coming out of a corner. It's a very, very nice power curve. And then if you really want to give it something, you can put in a sport mode and really get going, which is what I'm about to do here in a minute. So we're in sport mode now. And with this having the amount of miles it does, I'm gonna put our foot to the floor. Here we go. So a very nice exhilarating pull there. Now it's no speed demon, but I believe this had 250 horsepower. So it's nice to actually feel that. But cruising down the interstate here, pretty good ride. Sound acoustics in here are very, very well maintained. And then even having the 19-inch alloy wheels, not really getting a harsh ride. And the overall feel of the car is very, very nice. Steering wheel steady. And it almost feels like it's driving itself, because as I came down the road here, it just wasn't getting a lot of sway back and forth. It's just staying very straight. And that's actually kind of hard to come by when you have a vehicle with this kind of mileage on it. Usually it's a little off center or something like that. But so far, very impressed by this vehicle, especially with it, again, being 5-6 years old and having almost 74,000 miles. Now, I do think that this is a pretty good buy, especially if you get a vehicle like this one from Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro. Has a lifetime powertrain warranty. So if you're worried about the miles, not really a big deal, but this also helps you in terms of buying one used, as opposed to paying closer to the sticker price on a certified one or a lower mileage one. But if you are looking for one in your area and you want to make sure you get the best possible price, make sure you click on the link below. It takes about a minute or two to fill out that info, and then we can get the local dealers fighting to get you that best price on one of these. And if you don't get one with a lifetime powertrain warranty, I always recommend getting an extended warranty, even seeing if you can get one as part of your deal. But I mean, these have a pretty good track record in terms of reliability. I've seen a few of these. I mean, they've won several reliability awards. I see several 6-digit odometers, at least scrolling through cars.com and Reddit, things of that nature, that people don't have any major issues out of them. But yeah, the good thing, the greatest thing about this, I think, is going to be the ride quality. It rides so well. Sound acoustics are very good. And although it's not the most spacious SUV, you can really make it work for you, depending on how much effort you want to put into it. So whether that's like me adjusting my seat forward some, maybe leaning the seat back up, because I kind of drive more with my seat like that. I try to have good posture while I'm behind the wheel. But again, it really does get the job done. I think if you want something, let's say you have some smaller kids, you don't necessarily want a minivan, you don't want a full-size SUV, you want something that's got power when you need it, but it's also relatively fuel efficient. This is a very good way to go. And still, even with this being a 2019, it looks fantastic. But I want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this CX-5 today. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2019 Mazda CX-5 Signature.